Welcome back to Obie'z Lab. We've had a short break here.
Today on Obie'z Lab, we're going to make a craft table, craft bench, craft desk. So over here on the side view, you have a vinyl holder. We're going to take a hole saw, we're going to cut a bunch of holes into a couple pieces of plywood. We're going to inlay them into this frame right here, so it goes here and down here. And then, so this bottom half is going to be 2 posts and then cross braces. Over here on the top view, you just have the desk area. Then this is the top shelf. And right below the top shelf is this work plate right here. This black piece. So then over here will be, obviously, the vinyl holder will be on this side. So the front view is going to be the top shelf. It's going to be bracket, and 2 more brackets. Then these pieces, the bottom, the middle, and the top are going to be cross braces, and then these little thin parts right here, that's going to be the plywood tops to the shelf and the desk bench table. So then, the main part about this is that we're going to be using the Yakasugi Method, also known as Yakasugi Method. It is a Japanese wood burning technique that they burn the wood really darkly. They give it a good char, and then they scrape all the wood with metal brushes. So then sometimes they'll leave it, or sometimes they'll treat it a certain way. Today, what we're going to be doing in this video, we're going to burn the wood, we're going to scrape it, and then we're going to use shellac to treat it. Yeah, favorite wood sealers, bud. Okay, so this sums up what we're going to do for this project. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Alright, let's drill some holes. Oh my god. That was multiples? Different ones? It's all the same T20s. You need a big chair.
A tall chair.
You need like a small chair.
No, that's perfect height. See?
But another 3/4 is going to be on top of it. Bullshit. Don't worry, I'll fix that.
Okay.
I'll fix that up real good. Alright, so it is day 2. We're gonna make this second set right now. Okay, now we're gonna do some wood burning. If you wanna take a look at the trial we did, really dark. So we're gonna do like a medium and then scrub it really good, and then we'll shellac it. Okay. So now we have 1. So here's 2. Now we're gonna use shellac to cover them. So now we're in the garage. And now we're in the lab. So right here we are going to shellac these leg sets.
Look at this. It's probably gonna be the best thing we did so far.
Okay, this is the end of our first video. I just want to bring up that we've been away for a little bit. I've been working with the new job and going to school at the same time, so we finally got to another video, and we're going to do a couple of videos here building craft bench slash craft desk slash craft table basically. So stay tuned for more videos on Obie'z Lab.